Hello class, hello 5th grade. I'm super happy that you are here and I hope you are ready to start with this new week. And today we're going to do a review, and also this week we are going to be doing reviews about Unit 1 and the topics we learned, because I've seen that some of you keep having questions or doubts about when or how to use how about plus the verbs in ing. Remember, it's always the same that we are doing in different activities, in different exercises, but it's the same topic. Remember that if I ask you to make questions with how about, your question is always to start with how about, and the next part is going to be in gerund. For example, how about playing chess? How about playing an instrument, etc. Okay? And if, for example, if you need to answer to that question, and your answer is going to be, okay, I enjoy playing an instrument. Okay? That verb that you are going to use in your answer needs to be in gerund. Okay? ing, playing. Okay? For example, no thanks, I don't like playing chess. Okay? Play is the verb and you are going to use it in gerund, so it will be play, playing. Okay? Remember that we review about verbs in gerund in the sub meetings. We did a chart and I told you, I gave you the base form for the verbs and you needed to turn them into gerunds. And we had a chart. It was play, learn, read, write, etc. And in the other side you had to say playing, reading, writing, enjoying, etc. Okay? So please don't forget that always in this topic you need to write your verbs in gerund. Some of you are still using your verbs in the base form, for example in present. You need to remember that your verbs are always going to be in gerund, ing. So right now I'm going to show you the activities that we are going to do. This week we are going to do activities for the notebook so we can practice more these topics. And this is the main topic from the unit, so I need you to be clear. And if you keep having questions, it isn't clear at all, you can ask me. Please send a message to me. We are on time to make it clearer. So, and the activity says, the instruction, copy on your notebook. If you have the time, you can pause this video right now so you can copy the activity on your notebook. Okay, so I hope you finished copying your activity, and right now I'm going to read the instruction and I'm going to explain it. And it says, like I said, copy on your notebook, and the instruction says, use the information to make questions with how about plus ing. When I'm giving you this like little bar, esta línea, this means that it's going to be at the end of the word. Si tiene una línea aquí adelante, significa que ing va a ir al final de la palabra que vayas a usar. In this case, these words are going to be verbs, okay? Always verbs. Then answer with your own information. Example, okay? This is an example of how you are going to do this activity. It's an activity super similar at one we did in the book. So I'm going to give you, for example, join, and in the other side, chess club and drama club, English class, German class, etc. Okay? So you need to make questions using the information. Okay, I'm only giving you the verb join and the complement chess club, but as you know, your questions need to start by how about. So you add how about, and then I'm going to use join. But I remember join needs to be in gerund because it's next to how about. So I will say how about joining, and the last thing, the chess club. Okay? So and I need to answer to that question with my own information. You can say, yes, I love playing. No, I'm not interested in playing or joining or anything like that. So my answer is, good idea, I'm interested in learning to play chess. Okay, as you can see, the verb that I'm using here is learn, aprender, and it's in ing gerund. Okay, so right now we have that you need to make 6 questions, and remember that you need to answer. If you don't answer your questions, your activity isn't correct, isn't complete. Okay, so you need to make the questions and answer, okay, with your own information. So yes, okay, remember that your questions need to start, the 6 them all need to start by how about, and then joining, trying out, joining again, playing, joining again, learning. Okay, and then for example, how about joining the track team? You add the question mark. Don't forget the question mark. Remember that always the question mark, signo interrogativo, it's always only going to be at the end of the question, not at the beginning. Okay, for example, how about trying out for the Tinkerbell play? Question mark. And I will answer, okay, excellent. I love acting in plays. Okay, that would be my answer. Okay, remember, you need to make your questions correctly, follow the instruction. I'm giving you here the instruction and the structure. How about plus verb in ing? How about joining the track team? And my answer needs to be also the verb in ing. Good idea, I'm interested in learning to play chess. Okay, so, and that's it. Your answers also need to be correct, and if they're not, don't worry, I can check them and I'll be happy to give you feedback. I'll be trying to give you feedback at the end of the week. So please try to be patient with me, but send your activities on time so you don't miss them. And I'll be, as I said, I'll be checking your activities at the end of the week because I need time to record these videos and prepare. But I'm always at the platform, so if you have questions about this, about the topic, or it isn't clear at all, you can send a message to me and I'll be super fast to answer to you, and that'll be okay. If you need me to explain you this topic one more time, I can do it. It's all okay. So, and that's it for today. Don't forget that this needs to be on your notebook by your own letter, by your handwriting. Don't forget to write the date for today. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020, and also write your name. This needs to be in the picture that you are going to send me, so it will be easier for me when I check and I keep save your pages, your activities, your pictures, etc. So that's it for today. I'll hope to see you the next video, and I'll be so happy to meet you right here as always. Have a nice and beautiful day. Enjoy this week. Stay at home, stay safe. I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.